Welcome to this class. This session will introduce the first appetizer on quadratic forms. So the problem is to write the quadratic form corresponding to the matrix given above. Good. So to solve this, we start from definition. We know that solution given a square matrix A and for this case a 3 by 3, then the quadratic form is, now because a 3 by 3 they will have three variables x1, x2, x3 given by x prime a x, this by definition, where x is the vector with x1, x2, x3, x prime is a transpose of this vector x1, x2, x3, and a is as given in the problem. So let's write the structure. Quadratic form of x1, x2, x3 given by x prime a x is x1, x2, x3 multiplied by a, the matrix is 1, 2, 5, 2, 0, 3, 5, 3, 4, and then you multiply by the x vector, x1, x2, x3. Now Q of x1, x2, x3 will be, now this is a 1 by 3 matrix, and this is a 3 by 3 matrix. So 1 by 3, 3 by 3, we expect to get a 1 by 3 matrix. So just a row matrix or a row vector. So we'll have x1 times 1 is x1, x2 times 2 is 2x2, x3 times 5 is 5x3, and then element here will be this row times this column. So x1 times 2 is 2x1 plus x2 times 0 is just 0, and then x3 times 3 is 3x3. This row, this column, so x1 times 5 is 5x1, x2 times 3 is 3x2, x3 times 4 is 4x3. Then you multiply by this vector, x1, x2, x3. So this is a 1 by 3 matrix, and this vector is a 3 by 1 matrix. So this cancels out. So expect to get a 1 by 1 matrix or just an equation or a number. So it'll be this. We'll have x1 plus 2x2 plus 5x3. We multiply by x1 plus 2x1 plus 3x3. We multiply by x2 and then plus 5x1 plus 3x2 plus 4x3. Then this we multiply by x3. Since it's a 1 by 1 mark, that's why now we don't have the matrix notation. Now Q of x1, x2, x3 will be now, this will be x1 squared plus 2x1, x2 plus 5x1, x3 plus 2x1, x2 plus 3x2, x3 plus 5x1, x3 plus 3x2, x3 plus 4x3 squared. So this will be Q of x1, x2, x3. We have x1 squared plus 4x3 squared, and then 2x1, x2, 2x1, x2, so will be 4x1, x2. So this taken care of, this taken care of, this taken care of. x1, x3, and then x1, x3. So this and this will give us 10 x1, x3. And then this and this will give us 6 x2, x3. So therefore, that is the quadratic form for that given matrix. So this is the solution. So the problem is as simple as multiply 3 matrices, x prime, a, and then x. So this is the solution to the problem. Thank you.